Hi everyone, this is Grace. How are you? This is the book I highly recommend you to read. The title is The 100-Year Life, written by a professor of London University School of Business. According to this book, most likely we would be living up to age 100, and guess what? We would be working until most likely age 80. So let's redesign your life. And you have to review your life plan because we are not retiring at the age 60, 65. We would be working all the way up to age 80. So you really have to start investing in your good health and your financial planning. Financial literacy is what you need. And as a part of my redesigning my life, I look for passive income or residual income. And also, I look for something I truly love to do. As a result, I have a number of investments and I have a number of businesses, but the business that I really enjoy is online business about beauty and health. Because as we become older, I still want to look younger and healthier when I become 80 and 90 years old. And also, I love to travel. That's why I chose one of global businesses that requires me to travel outside of the country, go out, meet people, and build a business in each locality. That is my dream, and my dream has come true. About 5 or 6 years ago, I started investing this global beauty and health online business, and I am so happy I get to travel so many countries on a regular basis, and guess what? They are legitimate business expense for me. So I am not a tax advisor or money advisor. You have to go talk to your own tax accountant or you have to talk to your financial expert. But this is the way I do my business and I love it so much. So for the past 3 days, I share with you 3 must-have travel items that I use when I fly overseas. And yesterday, I talked about Longchamp. It's a French bag purse company. And my Japanese audience really loved it. And they had some questions. So today, I'd like to go over Longchamp item again. The Longchamp, traditionally, their purse or bag is made of nylons or plastics. And they can fold it up just like this. So you can put this in your suitcase or whatever. And if you have extra shopping or if you need a nice looking or decent looking tote bag or purse overseas, you can just use Longchamp. And today I'd like to talk about Longchamp's tote bag. So once again, Longchamp has 2 lines of products. One is a traditional fold-up type, and it's usually solid color like this. So guess what? This purse is about 20 years old. About 20 years ago, when I went to Paris, I bought this emerald green for my mom. This was my mother's favorite color, and for myself, I usually buy either black or red. So this is the traditional. And then about a few years ago, Longchamp started having the second line of purses, which is like this. Every year, they change the pattern of the fabric. And usually they have spring-summer collection and the fall-winter collection. So I bought this one a few years ago in Paris in summer. This was a summer design. And for the tote bag, so they have a tote bag of this traditional solid color, and you can fold it up like this. And for the every year with a different pattern, they have 2 sizes of tote bag. And then for this kind of not solid color, non-traditional Longchamp, unfortunately, it's not really folded up, because for the traditional one, they have a button here so that you can fold it up, and then you can make it neat like this, right? But this one is okay, even though you cannot really fold it, but still, it's a soft material, so you can fold it up. Only you cannot put the snap when you fold it, because it doesn't have the snap on the back side. So this is the large size of a tote bag, same as this. And this is great when you have so many things to carry, because it has enough depth like this. I would say maybe 6 inches or 5 inches wide. So this is very nice. And sometimes I take this as a carry-on purse to the flight, and it carries a whole lot. And this is the smaller tote bag. It looks small, but actually it can carry a lot. In the United States, we call it letter size, but if you are like me, you have to carry a lot of business documents, then you can fit letter size document, not the legal size. Legal size has to be the bigger one. And also, you can carry magazines like here. So the smaller size of a tote bag is good enough to carry the magazines in letter size. And this is my favorite again, the small, purse. Whenever I'm not working, whenever I don't have to carry documents, then I usually carry this when I'm at home or in town. And this looks small, right? But guess what? Your iPad will fit in here. So this is so nice. It can carry your iPad and your iPhone, even selfie stick, and sometimes I even put my, bottled water. So this is very nice and so light. So that's why I am such a faithful Longchamp fan over 30 years. How about that? And the company has been around. Any other French and the Japanese manufacturing companies, the Longchamp has been around many, many years. So they are reliable company with a good quality. And yet the price is very reasonable compared to other luxurious French brand. So I love Longchamp. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be about shoes, how I pack my shoes when I travel. This was a question came in yesterday after I finished the series of my traveling. So if you have any question, shoot me a comment and I will take care of it. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.